Hello everybody, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and it is the month of unboxings. Yes, that's right, there's no whip and chats throughout August. We're doing something slightly different for the month of August, and it's literally unboxing. So today's unboxing is two things. This isn't part of diamond painting, but I really wanted to show you it because I've never seen this. It's a candle in here and I just had to show you. So I'm going to tie this in with the diamond painting thing. So first things first, we'll get into the thing that I've been told is cat food. She said that she had to put it in the cat food box. So yeah, she said sorry, it's not the best packaging, but that's fine, you know, as long as it's protected, it's no problem, is it? So yeah, first things first is this. So in here we have, as per usual, I can't find the scissors, but I'll try and get into it anyhow. I'm gonna have to try and get my scissors, I think. Right, so I've got my scissors and we will get into this right now. So yeah, as you know, I like to get most of my candles from Home Bargains, but I found this. I also like to have a rummage around Vinted, see if anyone's got them on there, and I found this. Now this must be something brand new that they're doing, and this, which I've never seen before, so unless I'm late to the party here, I've not seen this. I think that's supposed to come off from up there, but this is called, WC means Whitford and Co. And it's, it's actually supposed to be Sunday scents, and I'm assuming that's supposed to be an oven, because it's actually banoffee cream pie scented candles. So this has got to be something that they've recently brought out, because I've never seen this in there before. So yeah, look, it's got utensils here and a glove and a tea towel. So I'm assuming they've made the packaging look like a little stove or something, as if you're cooking it. And then obviously, oh look, very clever. Yeah, look, the dials, and then you put the pie into the oven. Very good, very, very clever. Yeah, okay, wow. So yeah, I've not seen this before, and it is banoffee cream pie. Oh baby, wow, that has got a bit of a strong scent. Oh gosh, oh, that's very sweet. Yeah, it actually smells like banoffee pie. I've had it once and it's really lovely, but oh, that is a good one. That is a really good one. I generally don't buy these really small fart ass ones, because the chances are if you burn that, you probably only get about 6 hours from it, because these small ones do sell some of these for £1, not necessarily the banoffee pie, but I've seen some of these in glass jars that are £1, and I just think, I don't think it's worth the burn time. Like, if you're gonna buy a candle, you want to have a good few days on it. So yeah, that is lovely. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to have a look for another one of them. But yeah, I don't know whether they've got them in the shop, because I've only ever seen these ones. I mean, I've never seen these ones, so yeah, that is definitely new. But I've just remembered something, so I'll just get the AC. Thank you if you want a discount there. I've just remembered something. Now, while we're on the subject of candles, my sister went shopping for me yesterday, and she got one of the brand new Spice pomegranate candles. So she says she can only pick up one because obviously it makes the bag heavy, so she's going to get the other fragrances the next time she goes there. But yeah, this is quite whiffy as well. It's a Spice pomegranate, so I don't really know what that is, but it's a vibrant mix of pomegranate and warming spices. So yeah, so I've got two good candles. This one is just making me want to burn it straight away. It's got such a lovely smell to it. It doesn't come with a lid, and I quite like candles that come with lids because it keeps the scent locked in, you know. Yeah, but banoffee pie, yeah, couldn't wait to get that. So that's the Vinted thing. Right, now let's get on to what we're actually supposed to be doing, which is diamond painting. Now, this beautiful seller, another one of them fabulous sellers who sold it for £2, and this is one of the Star Wars buddies. Now, I've never had, this will be my first Star Wars buddies, and it's one of my favourite characters. So my favourite characters in Star Wars, R2-D2, C-3PO, Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader have to be some of my favourites. But my absolute favourite has to be this guy, and it is Darth Vader, yeah man. And oh my god, like, this woman had it for £2, and I thought, yeah, beautiful deal. Series 1, because most of them are going for £2, so I won't pay any higher than that. And as you can see, oh, look at the saber, yeah, wow, that's going to light up really nice. Now, it looks like you get your standard drills, but if you had some you know, AB drills or some really bright red ones, you could swap them out to put on here. You know, like your crystal drills, like these shiny ones, you could put them onto there like red. But this is fabulous. Oh wow, yeah, the candle came yesterday, and I thought, well, I might as well leave it in the locker until the next one comes, because this was a day behind, and I thought, save me doing a trip, 2 trips. But I've just noticed, look, they have got some red in there, so they've got the right idea, people, putting it onto there with the red bit. But as you can see, it's Darth Vader to infinity and beyond. Oh wow, look at that, oh mama. Yeah, I love Darth Vader, it's such a cool character. So that is Darth Vader ready to swipe his sword and stuff. You've got your bags, your wax, same pen and stuff, and then obviously these are the tools itself. So this is going to be a nice quick one as well. I'm really sorry there's not been any more of the summer theme as well. We've had really bad temperatures over here, so it's just been impossible to film anything with the heat and stuff. So the summer theme is now over, because it's sadly didn't get managed to finish the muscles, but it is what it is. And then we got the red, this brighter red, grey, light grey and a black. So I think that is fabulous, very happy with that, and the stick is perfect. Yeah, so, and this is really nice as well, because this is another one from series 1. So I now have, I've got Groot, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Iron Man. No, that's still wrong. Spider-Man, Deadpool, Iron Man, and now him. So there's still quite a lot to go. I really want that Hulk, and I really would like to get Chewbacca here, but I don't think that you'd be very difficult to get that. And I've also got this one here, which is the Mandalorian. Yeah, interesting that they've put Buzz Lightyear in with all of this, and there's no Woody. But oh, and I've actually got the baby Stitch as well, so I've got that. So they are picking. I don't actually know what that character is. I can't remember who that character is, but that must be Leia. Yeah, quite a few there, but I'm so happy I got this, but for £2 as well. Very, very happy indeed. So that's my little unboxing brought to you by Vinted. Obviously I got this. I wanted to show you this candle, because obviously we're not doing whip and chats, so I won't be able to show you in a whip and chat. So yeah, we got this banoffee cream pie. So if you like the look of that, do check out. I believe it came from Home Bargains, because WC is Wickford and Co. And then obviously I got this from Home Bargains as well. So there's a toffee warm apple one, and what's the other one? Autumn leaves, I think it is. So yes, lots and lots of gorgeous candles. But anyway, that's my unboxing for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Tap that good old notification ring-a-ding-a-dong bell, and I will see you for more diamond painting unboxings from tomorrow. Bye for now.